Hi guys, this is Reshma, and guys, in this question it is given that we have 12 cards, right? So we will starting from 1 till 12. So the sample space will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, continuing till 12. So guys, when we read further, what we'll see is that it is written, if it is known that the card on the drawn card is more than 3, find the probability that it is an even number. Okay, so guys, if we note, there are like two events mostly what is happening. Let the first event be if the card drawn is even. Okay, so if the card drawn is even, it can be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 or 12. Cool. What if the card drawn is more than 3? Let that be B. So if the card drawn is more than 3, it can be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 or 12. Okay, guys, what if card drawn is even and is more than 3, right? That is intersection of both of it. Then it can be 4, 6, 8, 10 or 12. Cool. So guys, now let's find the probability for each of the event. If it is even, the card drawn is even, it will be 6, that is the number of events by 12 sample space. If the card drawn is more than 3, then it will be 9 by 12. Okay, that's the probability of P. And what if it is intersection, like it is even and also more than 3? That if the number of events are 5, right? That is 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12, 5 numbers. So guys, now we'll find the required probability, guys. The required probability will be P A P. That will be A intersection B divided by B. Okay, that is 5 by 12 whole divided by 9 by 12. That will be 5 by 9. That's the answer, guys. Thank you.